Hey everyone, welcome back to the TikTok automation software channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful seeding feature inside MKT Tik Pro, one that lets you auto-comment on any TikTok video using multiple accounts at once. Whether you want to boost engagement, seed comments, or promote your product or service across niche-related videos, this tool has you covered. Before we dive into the step-by-step actions, let's take a quick overview of what MKT Tik Pro has to offer. This all-in-one TikTok automation software is packed with 6 powerful features to help you grow faster and smarter. First, account management. Easily control hundreds of TikTok accounts from one dashboard. Next, content management. Bulk upload videos, update bios, and edit profiles with ease. Then we have interaction script, auto-like, comment, and simulate real user behavior. With the seeding function, you can push any video or live stream to trending using mass engagement. Viral marketing helps you grow followers, auto-comment, and optimize your bio with clickable links. And finally, data scanning. Extract users, comments, and video insights for remarketing and lead generation. Now that you've seen the full picture, let's jump into how it works. This feature is part of the seeding function inside MKT Tik Pro. It allows you to select a video either by direct link, keyword, or randomly and assign a system of TikTok accounts to automatically comment on it. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up auto-comment seeding with MKT Tik Pro. Select the TikTok accounts, bots, you want to use for the seeding campaign. You can choose as many as you like. Enter the video link you want to boost. This can be any public TikTok video. Configure the seeding settings. Set how many accounts will run simultaneously. Adjust the time delay between each account's action to make it look more natural. Choose the actions each account should perform. Comment only. Like the video. Follow the video owner. Or all of the above. Add your comment content. You can write multiple lines to randomize the output. Use spin syntax or templates if you want each comment to appear unique. Once everything is ready, click Start and MKT Tik Pro will begin the process automatically. The selected accounts will log in, go to the target video, and start interacting just like real users. This is one of the most effective ways to seed visibility, create a buzz, or even spread promotional content across videos that already attract your target audience. It's fast, flexible, and fully automated, perfect for marketers, sellers, or anyone trying to gain attention on TikTok. If you want to scale your TikTok seeding strategy, the auto comment feature in MKT Tick Pro is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. To try MKT Tick Pro or get setup help, message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. You'll find all contact details and the download link in the video description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.